Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back and wish you a very happy and safe Diwali. Diwali is all about lights, lanterns, diyas and sweets. So we'll be picking lanterns and diyas which we can do using our origami. In this video, we'll be doing an origami lantern and an origami diya model. I have an origami diya model, let me show it to you. This is how the origami diya model looks like. It's very easy to make. Let me turn off the lights. This is how it looks. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So guys, for this lantern, we need multiple A4 sheets of paper. If you have a larger size paper, even that will be fine, but I'll be using multiple A4 sheets and I'll be combining them together. So let's keep them aside. Let's pick one sheet, and first of all we need to make a 4 centimeter crease from the bottom. So let's check for 4 centimeters. Here it goes. Yeah, approximately 4 centimeters, and then we make a mark. Similarly, we make such marks here so that we get a proper line. One here, one here, and the last one here. And we draw a straight line. Combining all the dots. This is kind of a reference line which we kept where we'll start folding. So we need to make this crisscross, basically a zigzag pattern. So we need equilateral or equal size strips in the zigzag fashion. So first I'll fold from the center, and then I'll fold it in opposite direction so that we can get the zigzag pattern. So if you see, there is a zigzag pattern. In this way we keep on doing zigzag patterns until we get a proper uniform zigzag strips, thin strips. Basically these are the length of this each zigzag strip is a lot more. Basically we need approximately 1 or 2 centimeter strips. So we keep folding, and we fold it in this way so that we get equal length strips. You can do it the way you're comfortable. All we need to make is equal length zigzag pattern. Press it properly. You can see we got a zigzag pattern here. We'll do it one more time. So let's pick this corner and let's start the zigzag like this. Try to make it as clean as possible. Uniform zigzag patterns look really good on the lantern. So every time you make one crease in the center of the two available creases and you get a thinner strip. You see, these are the two available creases. I just fold this in this fashion, and then we need one crease in the center, so I just make one strip like this. In this way you can get a reference point as well to where to exactly fold the strip, so that you get equilateral or equal distance strips or equal length strips, whatever you want to call it as. And this is the last one. Then you do a proper folding of the zigzag and then press it properly so that you get proper creases, proper zigzag creases. This is how it looks. Now we have our 4 centimeter line, reference line. It's over here. So we need to fold this inwards so that the line gets hidden inwards like this. You can take the reference like this and fold it exactly. And now we need to make a small triangle over here. If you see, there is this folding, right? There is this crease. You need to make a small triangle like this. These are again to make all the creases. You press it properly so that you get a proper crease. You get a crease like this, and then you skip one. You skip one crease, and then we take the second one. So this was the first. We skip one, we take the second, and then we again make a triangle like this. Press it properly because this is a thick layer, because it has two layers, so you need to press it properly. Then again we skip two. So here we did one, right? This was the fold. Now we skip this one and this one, and then here we make one more fold. If you can see, there are triangles formed like this, and that's what we want for proper folding. So keep folding like this. You can see you got all the foldings, and then here is the last one. So the last one was here. We skip this, and this is the last one where we do the fold. This is the pattern we get. I hope it's clear. Alright, now we need to start in this direction, and you can see there is a triangle formed over here. there are multiple triangles formed like this. So we pick one triangle and we fold this inside, and then we make a triangle like this here. You use those creases, it will automatically form a triangle, and then you need to fold it like this. This is how it forms. You need to keep folding it continuously like this and use those creases or those triangles which we made like this, and then press it properly. Do it for this entire strip, and the final product looks something like this. So this is how the final product looks like. So we did all the crisscrosses till the edge, and we have something like this. Now we need multiple such parts. Basically we will be joining all the parts, and then we'll be making a circular shape like this. So I have already made 4 such structures. So I'll be gluing each one, attaching at the end like this, and it will be a rectangular zigzag surface, and then we'll be merging this entire surface to form a circle or a sphere. So let me glue this. So finally we sticked all the 4 parts, and this is how it looks. And now we'll be joining the 4 like this here. So let me glue this as well, and then we'll give a proper shape to the lantern. Let me glue and come back. So guys, finally after merging all the parts, this is how it looks. And now we need to get this top portion closer, but then this is how the final thing looks like. But then this is not the way we do it. We'll do it in a different way. We have all these cuts, right? This can be considered as one strip, this can be considered as another, this can be considered as another. So you pick this one strip like this, and then make a triangle over here like this, and then open it back and then fold it inwards. This is how it looks. I hope it's clear. We repeat it the same for entire thing. You fold a triangle, press it properly, and then open it back and put it in this way. So we repeat for the entire thing. Alright, so we have all these triangles made, and now all we need to do is get these together and put our bulb from this part, and then we need to glue it from the inside portion. So we have our bulb. This is the bulb which I have, the socket basically, and we need to get this socket in from here. We can glue it like this also. Yeah, probably I'll glue it like this so that the bulb actually stays in this portion and doesn't come down. So we need to glue it here in proper shape, definitely. and yeah, let me glue it. So guys, the final product looks something like this. I have applied some Fevicol over here and I have placed the bulb like this. You can open like this, spread it a bit, and let me just turn on the light. This is how it looks. You can use it as a normal table lamp, something like this, or you can keep it, you can hang it like this as a lantern. It looks really beautiful. If not this, you can also make the shorter one. Let me show you the shorter one. This is a proper lantern, and I have one more for a Diya. This is the smaller one. It's the same structure, it is made in the same way, but just the dimensions are less. And I have this small Diya, which I can just place it inside this and pack it. This also looks very beautiful. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, stay safe, happy Diwali, and take care guys.